Okay, so I'm going to be taking you just through the basics of ArchiCAD. And I'm going to show you how we can actually develop our drawings, so our designs, into beautiful presentations like this one here. So just so you notice, I'll just go through some of the drawings with you. So here, I'll zoom in a little bit. I'll try. Up the top here, we have a render. Now, basically what's happened, just to explain, the render has just rendered whatever you've developed here. So probably what's happened is they've maybe just developed the building and maybe these simple structures around it. So just a fence line, the ground, and they've placed materials on them. Then they've rendered them with those materials to make it look like a higher quality. So it's made the glass look like glass, brought texture into the cladding here, showing the fence line. Then what they've done is actually saves as a JPEG and you transfer it onto Photoshop. From there, they've used trees, they've just brought trees in, they haven't created these as a model. They've brought birds in, they've used a cloud background, they've brought a boat in, copied and pasted all the people in and almost developed it like a collage. And it's really effective. So this is what we'll be doing through these tutorials. If we go down, you can see different views. Once again, an internal view. Obviously, the map would have been photoshopped on as well, as would the people. However, because of the materiality of the program and the rendering, if the facade has perforations or holes or whatever in it, then the light that you've used in your rendering will come through that and it will reflect on the floor. So it's really clever like that. But basically, same model, different views. Same with these. This here is a section. So basically it's just a 3D section. ArchiCAD allows you to do this. You can slice through and they've developed it like a render as well. We've got a few internal views. We saw this one before. It looks like they've just copied it, which is fine. I'm battling with the rendering. With the zoom here, sorry. Then we have floor plans. So once again, and an elevation. So once again, your model is the basis of everything. So your model, once you've made your model, it will actually generate these drawings for you. And you can see there's simple 2D drawings. You could go off and do those on Illustrator if you wanted to, but there's no point because ArchiCAD will generate them for you. Same goes with the elevation. The elevation will have been generated for you. And then you can see a bit of Photoshop work and it looks lovely. Same with the night view. All the night view is a bit of Photoshop work, and I can take you through that tutorial as well. But also just setting the light and the sun on ArchiCAD and using lighting. So you can actually place lighting within the structure, turn it on when you're rendering, and come up with this feature. Cool. So I just wanted to show you that quickly.